So yesterday we started to talk about the mitzvah of matzah, and we learned it from the pasuk. 3 words, ba'erev tochlu matzot. That's what the Torah says. In the evening you shall eat matzah. And it's amazing what you can learn from 3 words. So one thing that we learned yesterday is that since it says at night, ba'erev, so the halacha is that you should at least eat matzah at night when the stars come out. You can start your Seder before that. There are some people who say you should even make Kiddush then, but technically you can start the Seder before. However, you should at least eat matzah when 3 stars come out. In Winnipeg next week, it's going to be around 9 o'clock at night. But there's something else we learned from that pasuk. And it says, ba'erev tochlu matzot. What does the word tochlu mean? You shall eat matzah. It doesn't say you should snack on matzah. It doesn't say you should nibble on matzah. It says you have to eat matzah. And so, therefore, it's very important that we determine and we understand what is considered to be the amount that you have to eat in order to say that you're eating and not just snacking. And the rabbis work this out, and they determine that it's what is called a kazait, the size of a large olive. Now, how much does that work out practically? There's so many different opinions, and I can't give you all the opinions now. I'm going to give you the most lenient and the most strict. If you want to go according to the most strict opinion, then it's about 27, 28 grams, which is about the equivalent of 1 sheet of the machine-made matzah, okay? With the handmade ones, you have to calculate that as well. So, but it's equivalent of 1 machine matzah, all right? If you want to be strict, then that's how much you should eat each time that you have to eat matzah, which is 3 times. However, there are other opinions, and the most lenient opinion, if eating that much is hard on you, then you can go all the way down to 1/3. There's opinions that say that it's about 1/3 of a machine-made matzah. And so for those who can't eat more than that, then at least you should try to eat 1/3 of a machine-made matzah, and in that way you would fulfill the obligation of a kazait. Remember, we eat 3 times matzah. We eat motzi matzah at the beginning when we make hamotzi. Then we eat it again with the sandwich, the korech sandwich. We have to eat a kazait. And then at the end of the Seder, we eat the afikoman, and that also has to be a kazait of matzah.